Ciao, AFS Intracultura Vercelli, sono Kira della Russia. Ho stato in Italia più o meno 5 anni fa, per 3 mesi, and now I will speak English. So, I was in Italy for 3 months, and that was the most interesting, life-changing and challenging in the same way period of my life. And I'm very, very thankful to AFS Intracultura for providing these kind of experiences. I became much more open-minded, much more sociable after this experience, and I understood that Italians and Russians aren't very different, and I got some stereotypes about Italians aren't stereotypes, it's truth. For example, that Italians eat pasta almost every day for dinner. That's funny, but that's truth. And I'm very thankful to my Italian family in particular, because they showed me real Italy, real Italian culture. And the way Italians communicate with each other, with using hands, with gestures, it's amazing. And I use my hands to communicate with people now too. I took it from Italy to Russia, and sometimes people just ask me if I'm Russian or not. I wanted to tell that if you have a chance to host exchange students or to go to another country to learn another language, another culture, just do it. Move out from your comfort zone and become a part of our big, very loving, caring, amazing, international, big AFS family. AFS family. AFS Intracultura in Russia, you are one love. Thank you very much. Bon anniversary and ciao, see you.